welcome to MUSUBI Kitchen. I'm Shino. Today we are making an omelette rice or omurice. Basically an omelette with savory chicken rice inside. It's an all-time favorite at family restaurants, but it is also a classic Japanese dish that we make at home that is loved across generations. My daughter loves omurice, so I ordered it whenever I found it at the restaurants. But a few years ago, she finally begged me to make it at home, so I had to learn it and now I've mastered it. The version I'm sharing today is not your ordinary omurice. It's the dress omurice, featuring beautiful drapes that look just like a flattering dress. It originated in Japanese Western-style restaurants back in the 1990s. Since then, it's been loved as a uniquely Japanese showcase dish that celebrates both culinary skill and visual beauty. This special omurice will definitely have people asking, how did you do that? It might look a little difficult at first, but with a few simple tips, like getting the pan temperature just right and keeping your chopsticks perfectly still, you can recreate this magic at home. Well, let's get started, and we will turn your dining table into a special space. First, the ingredients: warm rice, eggs, chicken, and onion. We'll also need ketchup and butter to bring out the umami. Let's prepare the sauce. In a small pot, combine the ketchup, steak sauce, or Worcestershire sauce, and sake, or cooking wine. Bring it to a boil over medium heat while stirring. Once it starts bubbling, reduce the heat to low and simmer for about a minute to thicken. Now let's make the chicken rice. First, prepare the ingredients. Finely mince the onion. Cut the chicken into 1 to 1.5 centimeter cubes. Then, season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Melt the butter in a pan and saute the chicken and onions. Cook them thoroughly until the onions become translucent. Now here's the key to the flavor. Place the ingredients to the side and add the ketchup directly into the empty space. Heat the ketchup on its own until it bubbles and the color deepens. This evaporates the excess moisture and transforms the acidity of the tomatoes into a mellow, concentrated umami. Add the rice and stir-fry everything together until evenly combined. To plate the rice beautifully, I recommend using a small bowl. Gently pack the rice into the bowl without pressing it down too hard. Place your serving plate over the bowl, carefully flip it over, and slowly lift the bowl. Now you have a perfect mound of rice ready for the egg. Now it is time for the main part, the egg omelette. We will prepare them one serving at a time. Add a pinch of salt and the potato starch mixture, then mix well with the cutting motion. If you don't have potato starch, you can just omit it. It is crucial to preheat the pan thoroughly over medium heat. Add the oil, then pour in the egg mixture. Once the edges start to set, pinch the eggs with your chopsticks from both sides towards the center. Hold your chopsticks steady and slowly rotate the pan, and there you have beautiful drape. Gently slide the egg drape and place it right on top of the rice mound. Today, I'm serving omurice on this beautiful jade deep dinner plate. The matte jade green, reminiscent of a deep forest, dramatically enhances the vibrant colors of the omelette rice. Now let's have a taste. The egg is incredibly fluffy and just melts in your mouth. The concentrated flavor of the sautéed ketchup paired with the juicy chicken is really delicious. Dressed omurice is a magical dish that brings elegance to your everyday meals. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video.